Which Indian startup received DGCA approval for its eVTOL aircraft? Correct answer B. E-Plane Company IIT Madras. Explanation: IIT Madras incubated E-Plane Company became the first Indian firm to receive DGCA type certification for its electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft E200X. Number 2. What is the focus of the Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat campaign? Correct answer B. Ending child marriages. Explanation: the Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat campaign aims to reduce child marriages in India, focusing on high prevalence states like West Bengal, Bihar, and Rajasthan. Number 3. Which two Indian cities joined the Ramsar accredited wetland cities list? Correct answer D. Indore and Udaipur. Explanation: Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and Udaipur, Rajasthan, became the first Indian cities to join the Ramsar accredited wetland cities list for their wetland conservation efforts. Number 4. What is the aim of India's National Broadband Mission, NBM 2.0? Correct answer C. Connecting 1.7 lakh villages with broadband. Explanation: the National Broadband Mission, NBM 2.0, aims to provide broadband internet access to 1.7 lakh villages, strengthening India's digital infrastructure. Number 5. Which country did India partner with for AI-based economic transformation? Correct answer D. Indonesia. Explanation: India's AI honors collaborated with Indonesia's Indosat Ooredoo Hutchison to use AI for transforming the travel economy, knowledge economy, and food security. Number 6. What did Google purchase from India's Varaha project? Correct answer B. Carbon removal credits. Explanation: Google signed one of the largest biochar carbon credit deals, purchasing 100,000 carbon removal credits from Varaha's Gujarat-based project. Number 7. Who won the ICC Men's T20I Cricketer of the Year 2024 award? Correct answer D. Arshdeep Singh. Explanation: Indian fast bowler. Arshdeep Singh was named ICC Men's T20 Cricketer of the Year 2024 for his exceptional performances. Number 8. Which government body will oversee India's National Critical Mineral Mission? Correct answer C. Ministry of Mines. Explanation: the Ministry of Mines will oversee the 34,300 crore rupees National Critical Mineral Mission NCMM to secure essential minerals for clean energy and electronics industries. Number 9. Which major event will India host in 2026? Correct answer B. CSPOC, Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of Parliaments. Explanation: India will host the 28th CSPOC in New Delhi in 2026, focusing on AI applications in legislative processes. Number 10. India signed an MOU with which country for uranium supply? Correct answer B. Kazakhstan. Explanation: India signed an MOU with Kazakhstan for uranium supply to strengthen its nuclear energy sector. Number 11. Which Indian city inaugurated a lithium-ion battery plant in 2025? Correct answer C. Bengaluru. Explanation: Bengaluru is home to India's first lithium-ion battery gigafactory, set up by International Battery Company (IBC) with a 390 crore rupees investment. Number 12. Which country announced Nigeria's inclusion in BRICS as its 9th partner country? Correct answer C. Brazil. Explanation: in January 2025, Brazil, the BRICS presidency holder, announced that Nigeria had officially joined BRICS as the 9th partner country. Number 13. What is the objective of the Bharatpol portal launched in 2025? Correct answer C. Enhancing law enforcement efficiency. Explanation: Bharatpol is a centralized portal developed by the CBI to streamline operations for law enforcement agencies across India. Number 14. Which Indian state launched the Maa Ki Rasoi initiative? Correct answer B. Uttar Pradesh. Explanation: Uttar Pradesh launched the Maa Ki Rasoi initiative in Prayagraj to provide affordable meals to the underprivileged ahead of the Mahakumbh festival. Number 15. What was the theme of the 9th edition of Swachh Sarvekshan launched in 2025? Correct answer C. Super Swachh League. Explanation: The ninth edition of Swatch Survekshan, the world's largest urban cleanliness survey, introduced the Super Swatch League to recognize top-ranking cities. Number 16. Who won the ICC Women's T20 Carson Player of the Year Award for 2024? Correct answer C. Richa Ghosh. Explanation: Indian wicket-keeper batter. Richa Ghosh won the ICC Women's T20 Assam Player of the Year Award for her exceptional performances in 2024. Number 17. Which country hosted the 16th BRICS Summit in 2024? Correct answer B. Russia. Explanation: Russia hosted the 16th BRICS Summit in Kazan from October 22 to 24, 2024, focusing on economic cooperation and global governance reforms. Number 18. What does the Inroad project focus on? Correct answer C. Rubber development in the Northeast. Explanation: the Indian Natural Rubber Operations for Assisted Development Inroad project received 100 crore rupees to boost rubber production in Northeast India and West Bengal. Number 19. Who was honored with the Honorary Citizen Award by Singapore in 2025? Correct answer B. Tarun Das. Explanation: Singapore awarded its highest non-citizen honor, the Honorary Citizen Award, to former CII Director General Tarun Das. Number 20. What is the goal of the Entity Locker launched by MeitY? Correct answer B. Secure document storage for businesses. Explanation: Entity Locker is a cloud-based platform launched by the Ministry of Electronics and IT (MeitY) for secure storage and verification of business documents. Number 21. Which Indian state implemented green GDP in its economic calculations? Correct answer D. Chhattisgarh. Explanation: Chhattisgarh became the first Indian state to integrate forest ecosystem services into its GDP calculations, promoting environmental sustainability. Number 22. Which Indian institute ranked 99th globally in the World University Rankings by Subject 2025? Correct answer D. IISc Bengaluru. Explanation: IISc Bengaluru ranked 99th globally in the Times Higher Education, the World University Rankings by Subject 2025, showcasing India's growing presence in global academia. Number 23. India's first private satellite operator under InSpace is? Correct answer A. Ananth Technologies. Explanation: Hyderabad-based Ananth Technologies became the first private Indian company to provide geosynchronous orbit (GSO) satellite services under InSpace's initiative. Thank you. Something exciting is coming soon. Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.